The Future Leader Fundraising Challenge is an experience. It's an experience for the students who have their introductory week here in the MBA program, and it's about fundraising.
You have 5 days, and that means that the students will have 5 different challenges that they will have to go through.
The challenge of the Future Leaders Fundraising Challenge is to raise as many funds as possible in a really short amount of time, and all these funds will go to Save the Children, and the winning team will get a trophy.
First, you will create a brand concept from scratch.
We thought that our ideas were really good, and
oopsie.
So you have very short period of time when you need to develop idea, create the product.
It's really stressful right now. Nobody is actually doing what we are supposed to do. I don't know what is going on here.
Everyone is trying to do the same thing at once.
I'm trying to kind of draw a wall, and through that wall there is a crack. Through a flower will come out.
Because this looks not like
a wall. Oh my God, maybe it's a concrete then.
We think positive.
Students are very excited. Everything is new. They don't know their colleague. They don't know the surroundings. They're a little bit nervous.
Everybody has time pressure, so...
Yesterday we were really close to the deadlines. My heart was really beating.
Quality, quantity, everything together.
I'm just experiencing completely new things.
Where are your skills from?
Kindergarten. I'm not listening to them, I'm just producing the stuff.
The students also produce a tangible product, and they can hand this out as a thank you to donors.
Started here at Königsallee in Düsseldorf. Try to convince as many people as possible.
It's hard to overcome your fears at talking to people and just wanting their money, actually.
The people you expect not to reply, they end up replying, and we're just getting started.
And we have a guy that's singing. He's trying to sing.
Already brushing off the dust. You hear my voice, you hear that sound. Like thunder gonna shake the ground.
What do you think how much money you will get in the end?
2,000 to 3,000.
6,000, 7,000?
10,000 euros.
100,000.
Oh, okay.
I think it's a good number.
Why are you so confident?
Because it's saving the children, and it's something great, and who doesn't love children? Everyone loves children, right? So why not?
It has been a crazy week for all of you. You have to come into groups and work with all these stranger team members that you've never met before. And it has been a tough week with the 5 challenges that we're giving you.
for me it's a very nice opportunity to meet new people.
We're very diverse. We come from very different backgrounds. We have here an engineer, we have a salesman, we have an entrepreneur, we have a guy in finance, I'm from marketing and sales.
I have a hands-on attitude. I'm trying to do the logo, the presentation, and to be functional and to help in every way possible.
I think we all learned that working as a team is always better than working alone, and that as a team we can reach so much more and so much higher goals.
You have shown us your spirit, your WHU spirit, and your commitment to the cause and your energy that we're very much grateful for.
I really enjoy this time.
We already have fun, so that's what we have.
And that's important, to laugh and just let the stress go away.
This is something very unique. It's a leadership experience from day one, and this is something they will remember even years and years after they leave WHU.
I think in the end it was our whole team dynamic. We had a great spirit, we were consistent, we levered on our diversity, levered on each other's skills, and this is in the end what wins in life and also in this challenge.